Today I'm coming at you on the vlog cam with a not so highly requested skincare routine. And I only say that because if you guys don't know the joke about skincare routines, basically every influencer that posts a skincare routine is like, yeah, this was highly requested, and then everyone's like, was it really though? No one requested this, but okay, I'm doing it anyway. Since we're all stuck at home chilling, well, first of all, we have to make videos that we can make in our home. You know what? If we're all stuck at home, it's time to start washing our faces, I guess. So I'm gonna be going through my skincare routine. It's nothing too crazy. The last time I did this, I think, was a couple of years ago when I did a night routine video. Yeah, it's been a while. I'm not in my bathroom because the bathroom has no windows, so there's zero natural light. So the lighting in there is just actually the worst that it could possibly be. So I'm sitting on my floor. I have a little ugly container of water. We're gonna do this today. I don't usually post videos with no makeup on. I'm very shiny because I need to wash my face. I shouldn't be touching my face like that. So I'm just gonna start off with something that is my absolute favorite skincare thing ever. I am actually out of it and I need to get some more, but we're not leaving our houses. So micellar water slash I used to say micellar water, but then the commercials say micellar water. I've used this one and I've also used the Simple Skincare one. I love them both. I feel like it is just the easiest, best way to get makeup off. Obviously there's nothing in this right now, but when I do have some, I always start my skincare routine with that in the morning too, even if I don't have any makeup on. I just love it. So if you've never tried a micellar water before, I highly recommend. It's the best. You just put it on a little cotton pad, wipe everything off your face, and it's amazing, and I love it so much. Oh no, the battery's gonna die. All right, camera's back going. Very seldomly vlog with no makeup on. Very weird. I keep looking at myself, sorry. I'm gonna be using this as a mirror, so hope that's okay. After micellar water, I usually go in washing my face. I have two that I'm using right now. If I feel like my skin's having a really rough time, this Dermalogica Ultra Calming Cleanser is the best, but I don't use it every time. It's expensive. I've actually had this for way longer than I probably should, but I only use it maybe once, sometimes twice a week. It's just every time I use it, it makes my skin feel amazing, and the next day it's just things are just starting to clear up, and it's good. But I only use it when I really have to. When I'm not using that, I have been using the Garnier Bio. This is their vegan collection that they have going on right now. It is organic lemongrass purifying gel wash. This was actually, ew, what the heck is that? Anyway, this was actually sent to me as a sample to try from influencer. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you've probably seen it a while ago. But anyway, I have been using this. I'm gonna be using this one because it's very nice. It smells good, it lathers, but the price range is a little bit more affordable than the Dermalogica one. Now, for washing my face, one of my absolute favorite things is my Duval spin brush. It comes with these. Now, I've had this for a while, and please don't judge me because of the iron in our water has started to turn brown, as you guys can see. Don't know why I'm exposing myself, but just being honest. I start with this one. This one's softer, so I use this one with the cleanser, and then I just use this one with a little bit of water to exfoliate because the brushes are a little bit more dense. But as you can see, one of them's I don't know why this one hasn't turned, but this one is very brownish looking. It's literally just because of the well water that we use. Yeah, so I just pop the little head on. I usually run it under some water first, but since we're not using running water today, I'm just gonna dip it in my water. Very professional. I'm gonna go ahead and just drop a little bit on top of the brush. And then just so that I don't get a bunch of flinging stuff, I just like to go like this and dab the cleanser around my face, and then we turn it on. Okay, so after I'm happy with the amount of scrub that I have, I'll just dip it in the water again. Go through it again just to kind of get a little bit of a rinse going. And then maybe sometimes I do it one more time, sometimes I don't. So generally what I like to do is just take a wet face cloth and then just wipe some of the excess suds and stuff away. With fresh water, I'm going to go in with the more denser brush and just kind of get a little bit of exfoliant going. Okay, I feel like this is great because if I ever have like really dry skin or something, especially where like it's been winter, I mean we're transitioning into spring now. Actually, is today the first day of spring that this video is going up? It might be, I don't remember. Yeah, if I have like really dry spots on my skin or whatever, this helps like exfoliate and get some like the dry skin away and just, you know, gives me a nice smooth surface to work with when I put my makeup on. So I'm not gonna wet my face, it's still damp and everything, and I am going to go in with the Youth Vitamin C and E Serum Hyaluronic Acid. I'm gonna talk about this in a second, but I'm just gonna put it on first because I don't want my face to get too dry before I put it on. I'm just gonna take a tiny pump, like that big, a very, very small amount. I'm gonna rub it in my fingers and then put it on my face, specifically under my eyes. Okay, so this stuff was actually sent to me by Youth and they asked me to show it in a video. The video is not sponsored or anything, but they just wanted me to talk about it and show it to you guys. So basically, it's a vitamin C and E serum. It's hyaluronic acid. If you guys want to check them out, I will leave their website down below. But basically, like, I'm in my 20s, you know, I don't have like insane wrinkles or anything, but I feel like now's a really good time to start like preventative measures. We want to stay as young looking as we can for as long as we can, and I know I'm not the only one. Everybody is like that, and this is supposed to be good for like minimizing wrinkles and fine lines and stuff like that. And it's not like I have insane like wrinkles or anything, as you guys can like probably see. I do have, we'll call them small creases that I get under my eyes when I put makeup on. So I do like to put this specifically around underneath my eyes because I hate those creases. I wanted to use this for like a week or two before I talked about it, and I have been using it, and I don't know if it's just like wishful thinking or if it's like some kind of placebo effect or if it actually does what it says it does, but honestly I feel like I have noticed a difference in the fact that my under eye creases are like, they don't show up as much. I don't know if it's like getting rid of them or if it's like filling them in, but I do feel like I do see a difference in how they look, especially when I wear makeup. When I got this, I've been using it like pretty much religiously. Yeah, I'll leave all kinds of information about them in the description box below, but if you do want to check them out, I will leave their links in the description. But yeah, so far I've been really, really liking it. You only need like a little bit, so it goes like a long way, but I'll decide when it runs out. Speaking of running out, I'm gonna go in with the camera's gonna overheat soon, so I gotta kind of hurry this up. I cannot go a day without moisturizer. My favorite one is by Simple. However, I'm pretty much out again and I need to get some more, but I think I'm gonna go get some groceries and some necessities tomorrow. But you know, we haven't been leaving our houses, so I'm like running on like the last tiny little like drops of moisturizer that I have that's coming out of this, because 2 weeks ago I went to the grocery store and I thought I bought moisturizer and I got the wrong thing and I didn't get moisturizer. I got face wash instead, and then I put it on my face and I was like, why does my face feel so tight? And then I looked at it and I was like, I am dumb. That's okay, we all make mistakes. I need to get more face moisturizer pronto. Like, my makeup just does not, it's not a good situation if I don't put moisturizer on first. But yeah, essentially that is my skincare routine. I will just go ahead and put my makeup on now. Okay, so the camera overheated and just turned off on me, so I just sat here for like 20 minutes and waited for it to come back on. So here we are.
It was nice. It was quiet.
It was nice. It was quiet. Okay, so
love you.
I really just have to end the video now, so that's, like I was saying before I got cut off, I was just saying that sometimes I like to use a jade roller. It's over there on the other side of the room, so I'm not gonna go grab it right now because I'm lazy. But I genuinely like to use it when, specifically in the summertime, because it's nice and cold and it feels really good. But also if I'm feeling really, really tired, like in the morning, if it's been a really late night, early morning, whatever, like I really like to use it under my eyes just because where it's cold, it feels so nice. And it's supposed to help with like lymphatic drainage. I hope I said that right. But anyway, it's supposed to help make your face look a little less puffy. It helps like your serums. It helps your serums and like moisturizers like go into your skin. Like if I put my moisturizer on and then I use my jade roller, I just feel like my skin is like 10 times more moisturized than it would be like just putting moisturizer on, which is kind of crazy. I hope you guys enjoyed hanging out with me and my naked face today, and I will see you guys on Tuesday with a brand new video. Hopefully we'll be doing something a little more creative. I'm gonna have to get creative with video ideas since I can't leave the house to get video supplies or anything like that. So look forward to that. Let me know in the comments down below how everyone's doing with their self-quarantine, how they're feeling with everything that's going on right now. I know it's kind of a crazy time right now. Hope everyone's doing okay, and yeah. You can come follow me on all my social medias and we can chat there. Every single social media I have is just at Fallon Fraser, which will always be linked in the description box below. And yeah, thanks so much for watching, and I will see you guys on Tuesday. Bye!